All right, let's jump into this problem. The graph of the quadratic function above shows the x-intercept and the y-intercept. Which of the following equations represents a graph of the quadratic function? All right, so firstly, we notice for all the options that we have right here, the graph is in the format of y equal to ax minus h squared plus k, which is the vertex form. We know that the vertex from this right here simply going to be h and k. So we know that much. All right, now if you look at this carefully, we notice here so that the vertex is going to be right here, and the graph is going to be a maximum graph. So again, all of these are negative, so that is not enough to differentiate which answer it's supposed to be. Now for this point, the x value must be the midpoint between -2 and 6. So the x value, which is going to be my h, going to be -2 plus 6 divided by 2, which is my midpoint. So h here must be equal to 4 divided by 2. So that's going to be the situation for h, which is simply going to be equal to 2. So my function here, y equal to x minus 2 squared plus k. So I know that the graph going to look something like that. The equation going to look something like that. So by mere observation, looking at this, a cannot be my answer and d cannot be my answer. So now I need to pick now between b and c. Now I also know here that the graph goes through the point 0, 6. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to test both b and c for 0, 6. So let's do b first. All right, so now we're going to check b and c. All right, so let's do b first, and we're going to do the coordinate 0, 6 because we know that the graph goes through 0, 6 as a point as well. So 0, 6 as a point. So we do 0, 6, which means when I plug in 0 into the function, it must gives me 6. So let's check out b. I'm going to start with the right side. We have y equal to -1/2 x minus 2 plus 8. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to plug 0 in and see if the result give me 6. So this is going to be -1/2 0 minus 2, don't forget my squared, plus 8. So that's going to be -1/2 2 squared plus 8. So that's going to be -1/2 times 4 plus 8. That's going to be -2 plus 8, which is going to definitely be equal to 6. As a result, when I plug 0 in, I'm getting 6 for my y. So this point is definitely on the equation, or on the graph, y equal to -1/2 x minus 2 all squared plus 8. So b definitely going to be my answer. So it's kind of insignificant now to check c because I know that b already satisfies all the conditions necessary.